Hi, it's Tina and Tim again. My next question for Tim is, what happens if you're a parent and also a mandated reporter? Are you obligated to report yourself if you observe, or maybe you're the one who's creating the abuse or neglect? So let us know, Tim.
Well, if you're the one creating the abuse or neglect, I highly doubt you're going to call on yourself. If you are a mandated reporter and your child comes to you and says, "Daddy or teacher or somebody is doing these things or this happened," so it becomes a moral question, really. You are only a mandated reporter in the capacity of the 9 to 5 job that you hold. Once you leave that office, it's really up to you whether you want to report or not. You become a regular citizen at that point. So really, it's a moral compass kind of question. You are under no legal obligation to make that report at that time, but let's just be a good person and say that you'd probably call anyway.
Perfect. So again, remember to like our page and subscribe to us on YouTube. See you next time.